Hello everyone! How are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today guys, magkakaroon tayo ng another unboxing ng mga pinamili natin. And this will be the second time na mag-unbox tayo, and this is extra special because gagawin natin to dito sa Pilipinas. So yes, this is Lazada 2.0. So yes, because yung ibang mga parcel natin is nagdatingan na. Medyo madami siya, medyo marami akong i-unpack. As you can see, we have a lot of packages here and I'm gonna unbox it all and I'm so excited. So yeah, first item na bubuksan natin is this one. Disclaimer lang po, all of these items na binili ko is not sponsored and each of this has their own shipping fee. Ganun pala sa Lazada. Bawat item na bibilin mo is meron siyang kalakip na shipping fee. It's acceptable naman kasi iba-ibang company, iba-ibang store kumbaga. So, yun. Let's start para buksan na natin lahat because I'm so excited na din. And yung ibang bata dito is nag-aabang din kahit na wala naman silang item dito. So, yun. First item guys is bubuksan na natin. And I don't know what is this. This one is magkano to? 272.41. I'm sure kasama na dito yung delivery fee. So, ipa-flash na lang natin dito sa screen kung magkano to. So, syempre, kailangan natin ng gunting para mabuksan to. So, let's start to unbox this one. Ayan. Kung sakaling magustuhan nyo to guys, yung link niya is ilalagay ko na lang sa description box para makita na siya ng mabilis or madirect kayo dun sa seller na pinagbilad ko. Kainaman naman dito, binabalot talaga nila sa ano tawag dito, bubble wrap. Ito yung lagayan ng itlog guys. Pera o bayong? Pera. Lumayas kayo dito. Ayan, so ito yun guys. This is lagayan ng itlog and this one is 22 by 15 by 23.5 cm. Let's see. Fairness. Oh, nice. Maganda siya. It's nice, guys. And ilang itlog yung pwedeng ilagay dito. So, 4, 8. So, 32 na itlog yung pwedeng ilagay dito, guys. So, yes. Ayan, 2 layer siya. Yan yung loob niya. So, pwede itong ilagay sa rep. Kaya naman siyang ilagay sa rep guys. So, mas maganda kapag kami ganito para yung itlog guys is hindi siya mababasag and then yung tray is pwede na natin siyang itapon. Diba? So, ganyan lang. It's nice. It's really, nice and fashionable. Ha! Fashionable! Sino halon? So, let's move on to the next, to the next item. This is the second one. So, sige. Ayan, so what is this? Ang price na to ay 347.77. So this is the rice dispenser. I'm expecting guys na mas malaki siya, to be honest. Pero nung dumating siya is ganito lang siya. Pero ang sabi dun sa is this is good for 12 kg na bigas. Let's see. This is color gray. Yung lagayan kasi namin ng bigas dito guys is drum siya. So, naisip ko na mas maganda kung bibili ako ng lagayan ng bigas para, fashionable, gano'n. Ayan, so this is it. This is the rice dispenser, press type rice storage barrel. So, ano mo lang siya. Pipindutin mo siya dito and then yun na siya. Then meron siyang parang baso sa loob. So I'm so excited to see it. So okay. I'm not expecting na ganito. Why like this? I'm expecting yung na ganito guys. Yung ganito yung itsura niya. Pero this is kind of different. But it looks nice naman. You need to you need to assemble it. Yeah, I think this will be look like this because there is yan sa hudan. This is the parang measuring cup. Yeah. I will assemble it first, then I'm gonna show it with you. Okay? So guys, ayan na, nabuo na natin yung ating rice dispenser. And this is 8 kg from here. Pero ano nga ito, para 12 kg siya, yung capacity niya. Yung pwede nyong ilagay dito is 12 kg. And then yung top niya is easy to remove. Just remove it like that. Remove the white cover and just like that. And then ayan yung loob niya. Okay. Can you see it? Yan, this is the inside of the lagayan. And then you just cover it like that. And you just need to press it here, and then it will open. And then it will open here. Yeah, when you press it like that, it will open like that. But you should have to put it first before pressing it because the rice will, will spill. And so life will be easy with this one, diba? So, it matches with the lagay ng itlog. It's really nice, guys, diba? Pag kami mga ganito kayo, parang mas maanong magluto kasi mas nakaka-inggan yung magluto because organized, ganon. Organized ba? Tsaka mas madali ang buhay kapag may mga ganito kayo. So, happy because it matches the color and parang nag-synchronize ang lahat. Ganon. So, the third one, we will open it, and this one is 90.30 pesos. This is, I don't know what is this. Let's just open it. Ano to? Okay. Lagayan to ng tawag doon, lagayan siya ng katol, guys. Ayan. So, medyo malamok kasi dito sa may labas namin. So, naisip kong bumili ng lagayan na ganito. Ayan. So, it's really nice, guys. Again, this is 90.30 pesos. Pero, alam ko, ano siya, tawag dito, kasama na dun yung shipping fee. It's nice. Para siyang kulungan ng ibon na maliit na version. So, ayan it's really nice, guys. Isasabit nyo dito yung katol. Lalagay nyo dito yung katol dyan sa loob. And then, hayaan nyo lang siyang maubos. And then, dito is, ito yung loob is sahuran siya nung parang pinaka-ash niya. So, ayan, it's nice. Bali, igaganyan nyo lang yan sa baba. And then, hayaan yung, alam nyo yun, hayaan yung malusaw or maaboy yung katol. Hindi na ako maglalagay sa bote ng RC. So, meron siyang dalawang color. I think the other one is purple. But I chose to get the black one. And then, the fourth parcel will be like, I think siguro ito yung pinaka-filter ng gripo, guys. So, bumili ako na to kasi yung sa isang gripo namin doon, kapag yung pressure ng tubig is sabog. So, pagka maghuhugas ka ng pinggan, ang nangyayari is napupunta sa damit mo. Kaya kapag ka naka-outfit ka, sabog. Madumi na ang iyong damit. Ganon. Basa. Para kang nag-swimming. Ganon. So, ang isa na to, alam ko, is parang 14 dirhams. 14 pesos. So, I bought 5 of this, guys. It's nice. One. Matutuwa si Mother Earth, si nanay dito kasi marami na silang filtered ng gripo. So, hindi na mababasa yung damit nila. Ang kagandahan lang dito, guys, is stretchable siya. I'm gonna show it with you. Pero, ayan. So, this is the closer look. Ayan. Meron din siyang dito, parang LC sa loob. yun yung magpi-filter din para sa yun din yung magpi-filter sa tubig na lumalabas. Ayan. So, ito, this is what I'm telling you guys. Yung pwede nyo siyang hatakin. Ayan, hatakin nyo siyang ganyan. And then, mag-e-extend siya. And then, pwede nyo iganon-ganon. Parang, ayan, iganyan-ganyan. Position sa ganito. Position dyan. Position sa ganyan. So, no need na, hindi nyo na kailangang hindi kayo mahihirapan na maghugas ng pinggan. So, kunyari may mga dumi-dumi dun sa gilid, no need nang kumuha ng baso para basa-basain siya ng tubig para lumusot dun sa, diba, sa sink. So, ayan, with this one, pwede nyo siyang i-position na ganyan, position na ganon, position na ganyan. So, it's nice. And, you just simply need to put this sa faucet, guys. Ayun. So, it's nice. It's worth the price. So, ayan, dalawa na lang yung parcel na hindi natin nabubuksan. And this one, I will open it last because this will be my personal gamit ba. This one, ito yung gamit sa bahay. And all of this, ang presyo na to is 239.81 kasama na dun yung delivery fee. Okay, so this is my nephew's laruan. So, ito yung crocodile na na pag pinindot nyo is lumalabas yung ipin. Pag pipindutin yung ipin and then magko-close siya. Ayan, so I don't know how to play it pero parang ibubukang ganyan yung ipin. And then you're going to choose, you're going to make piga the ipin, or you're going to press the ipin and then ayan, ganito. This is what it looks like. Ayan, ganyan. It's plastic. And then, ayan, hanap-hanap lang ganyan. Ayan, so hanggat sa maipit yung kamay ninyo. Ay! Ah! Nagulat ako doon. Anyway, ayan, bibigay natin ito sa pamangkin ko. And for sure, matutuwa yun. Let's put it here. Ayan, dyan muna natin yan ilagay. And then, the other item is, ito yung, tawag dito, phone holder. So, ilalagay ko to sa aking sasakyan. So, this is what it looks like. Ganyan yan. I think nasa 100 plus to, 135. And, ayan. So, kailangan ko kasi to sa sasakyan ko. Yan. Para kapag is, alam nyo yun, hindi mahihirapan na maghawak-hawak ba. Kunyari, sa mga location, yung location na pupuntahan nyo, kailangan nyo siyang i-Google Map or i-Waze or what, meron na kayong, hindi nyo siya kailangang hawakan. So, okay. It's nice. Pwede na. Ayan, so, pwede na siya. It will last longer. Ayan. I think it will last longer. Depende na lang kung paano yung gagamitin. So, yan, ganyan siya. Let's, then, put it there. And then, ayan, like that. And then, like this. Ayan, para, ayan, masikipan siya. Ganon. Okay. And then, ayan, so, kung gusto nyo siyang i-straight, ayan, ganon. And then, this one is, pag ganyan. So, I would like it like this. And then, I would rather position it like this. Para, it's easy. Anyway, it's easy to, that's the last, so, here na lang, ganyan. Okay. So, you need to press it here para bumuka siya. So, ayan, kunyari, naka-close siyang ganyan, huwag nyo siyang ipo-force or huwag nyo siyang pipilitin na buksan pa ganon kasi masisira siya. There is button here sa likod and then when you press it, it will automatically open. It's nice, diba? And then, when you want to close it, when you want to hold your phone na, just simply press it like that and it will close. And I don't know kung para saan to, but I think, maybe para dito yan sa likod. Lagay na lang natin ba. I think it will last naman. So, I hope so. And meron siyang dikit. So, didikit natin to sa sasakyan natin mamaya. Pero, I want yung parang bakal para, alam mo yun, hindi siya puputok, hindi siya magka-crack. Kasi, alam niyo naman, kapag sa sasakyan mainit, ang tendency kapag may mga plastic na ganito, pwede siyang pumutok. Yun. So, yeah. Ito naman is yung panghasa ng mga kutsilyo. So, ganito yung itsura niya. So, it's nice, diba? So, kapag mapurol na yung kutsilyo nyo, hasain nyo lang siya dyan. It's simple. You just make hasa or you just put your knife in between and then just make it like that. So, that's it na. This will be our last parcel. This is from Telesin, guys. This will be my phone holder. This is tripod. Mag-safe siya. Pati yung necklace holder niya. Para din sa phone ko yun. So, this cost 1,708.44. Actually, yung tripod, guys, is tawag dito, ayan, 1,708.77. So, yung tripod, ang price niya is nasa 800 plus. Meron din siyang, ano to? Bluetooth na, ayan, so, ayan, this one, and this one. So, it's nice. Let's open the tripod first. This is the tripod. So, yeah, this is the mini selfie-stick magnetic tripod, guys. So, ang kagandahan dito is ididikit mo lang yung phone mo dun sa may pinaka-MagSafe and then, yun na siya. And then, meron din siyang pinaka-remote. Yan. And then, the second one, ito naman yung sa leeg. Isasabit nyo siya sa leeg. This cost 900 plus, almost 1,000 plus, guys. Almost 1,000. So, ayan. So from what you see outside the box, from the picture, this is what you really get, guys. Ayan. So I got the color gray. Ayan. So that's it. Should I open it or no? I think I'm gonna make another video of it so you guys can see it. Pero let's unbox it na para makita nyo na. And then, I'm gonna make review na lang for this one. Oh, it's nice. I love it. It's really nice. I think it's worth the price. Ayan. Meron din siyang kasamang ganito. Pwede ko siyang ilagay sa phone ko. Matchy-matchy siya. Gray! Yay! It's nice. And then, pwede nyo rin lagyan ng magnet yung phone ninyo. Kung yung case ng phone nyo is hindi siya MagSafe ready. So, you can put this magnet in your case. Sakto, lalagay ko to sa phone ko, guys. I love my case kasi. So, meron din siyang ganito, pangpunas, dry and wet wipes. Ayan. So, love it. Yeah, buti na lang pinaalalahanan ako nung na dalawa yung na-order kong tripod. So, it will be like this, guys. Yeah, it will be like that. It's nice, no? And then, kung gusto mo na siyang i-unlock, just press it like here. And then, that's it. Nice. I love it. Medyo pricey lang siya ng bahagya, pero okay naman. It's nice. I think it's worth the price. Magagamit ito lalo na kapag may cooking session ako, ganyan. And this one, you can move it like that. You can, and then, like this. O, diba? It's really nice. So, this will be the last item for today's video, guys. So, this is mini selfie stick magnetic tripod. This is product of Telesin. Ayan. So, nice. Mabigat din siya, guys. I love it. Hindi siya ganun kabigat, pero malalaan mo na yung quality is nice. Meron din siyang ganito magnet type or magnet. I think you can also put this in your case. Nice, nag-provide sila. Nice. Oh, it's nice guys. I love it. Feeling ko magagamit ko to palagi. Ayan. So meron siyang remote. So kung gusto niyo siyang gamitin sa, like for example, nasa labas kayo tapos gusto niyo siyang gusto niyo mag-picture, ganyan, and then you don't have the controller or mas malayo kayo sa camera, magagamit niyo to. And then this is, ayan, I love the quality. It's really nice. Ayan, and then you can do it like this. So if you want mas malayo, ayan, pwede niyo siyang ganyan. So I'm so excited to use it. So nababalik din siyang ganyan. So pwede niyo siyang ilagay sa bag niyo. Kung small bag lang kayo palagi, sakto sa akin to, small bag ako palagi. And pwede ko siyang ilagay na ganyan. It's nice. Hindi siya sagabal sa sa phone. Diba? Love it. So that's it guys. So na-open naman na natin lahat ng ating parcel na na-receive for today. So that concludes our Lazada haul in today's video guys, and there will be parcel na iniintay ko. I think parang mga 5 items na lang yon or less. I'm not so sure. Pero so far, so good. I am satisfied with the items na na-receive natin. Medyo ano lang ako dito sa isang to, pero I think it will last longer. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung ating video for today, kindly please consider subscribing on our YouTube channel and also click the bell para naman you'll be notified whenever I uploaded new video like this one. So kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, kindly please do consider subscribing on my YouTube channel. Ayan, so just click the subscribe button so you guys can see my future vlogs and video. So thank you guys for watching. Bye! See you on my next vlog.